PM Modi has begun a landmark two-day visit to Israel, during which he will hold detailed discussions with Benjamin Netanyahu. Ahead of the visit, Netanyahu described PM Modi as a dear friend and highlighted the growing strategic convergence between the two countries, calling India and Israel ties a powerful alliance between two global leaders. PM Modi's visit is expected to solidify cooperation in innovation, security, and regional strategy. Israel and India have increasingly aligned on shared challenges in West Asia, and Netanyahu has emphasized that this partnership goes beyond bilateral ties, reflecting a broader vision for stability, economic growth, and collective security in the region. During remarks ahead of PM Modi's arrival, Netanyahu outlined a proposal for a hexagon of alliances, a six-sided strategic framework including India, Greece, Cyprus, and other like-minded nations from West Asia, Africa, and Asia. The bloc is designated to coordinate across three key pillars that includes economic cooperation, diplomatic alignment, and security collaboration, with the goal of creating a structured network to counter radical actors and strengthen resilience in the region. Under the Hexagon framework, member states would expand trade and infrastructure connectivity, align on regional and global diplomatic positions, and enhance intelligence sharing and defense cooperation. Netanyahu suggested the initiative could resemble broader connectivity projects like the India-Middle East-Europe Economic Corridor, that is IMEC, institutionalizing collaboration for long-term regional stability. Therefore, the hexagon of alliances adds a new dimension to India-Israel relations, positioning the two countries as core partners in shaping regional security architecture. PM Modi's visit not only strengthens bilateral cooperation but also signals India's growing role in multilateral strategic partnerships aimed at resilience, stability, and shared growth in a volatile geopolitical landscape. What are your thoughts? Do comment and let us know. And for more such videos, stay tuned with India TV.